When you say sinusitis kasi as I said, inflammation siya. So it could be caused by viruses or by bacteria. I would not recommend actually mag-antibiotics kaagad, no? Especially kung first incidence or first episode. It could be because of viral infection lamang siya, no? Basta anything that could block yung drainage ng ating sinuses could cause pain because napupuno yung sinuses natin ng fluid. So if it's just viral, I would recommend over-the-counter or kahit sa medical missions, yung mga oral decongestants, no? Like phenylpropanolamine, Neozep, or yung mga oral decongestants that could help alleviate or relieve yung symptoms. With regards to nasal douche, minsan naman kasi pag
Ano yung nasal douche?
it's parang home remedy na pwede natin gawin sa bahay, no? Yung kasi sinuses natin minsan baradong-barado tapos filled with fluid and secretion. So sometimes it would be best kung pwede natin siyang hugasan, no? I-flush natin siya. So sa bahay, I've actually searched up for recipes for home remedy sa nasal douche. Madaling gawin siya. Ang ingredients lang is kalahating teaspoon, no, ng baking soda, and then isang tablespoon ng salt and lukewarm water. Ipaghalo lang sila, and then kung meron silang syringe na mabibili sa pharmacy, yung 10cc, I think 5 piso or 8 piso lang yun. If-fill lang nila yung syringe and then just flush yung ilong. And then
Paano fina-flush sa ilong? Gaano kalakas? Nakahiga ba? Nakaupo?
Mas maganda kung nakaupo and then medyo naka-lean forward, and then yung syringe papasok sa ilong and then just flush yung
Wala bang danger na masusugat yung ilong sa lakas ng
tanggalin
tubig?
lang tanggalin lang yung karayom. Dapat walang karayom yung syringe. And then with regards to danger, I don't think may danger naman siya, no.
Ano purpose nitong may asin, may baking soda? Ano ba yung binabasa lang niya yung sinuses? Paano aabot sa sinuses mula sa ilong?
Actually, hindi talaga siya sa sinuses, no. But when you're flushing it, you're flushing the nasal cavity, no, yung buong nasal cavity, fina-flush natin siya. So ang purpose naman ng saline solution is actually saline solution is number one is it's isotonic, no. It serves as a bacteriostatic effect, and then number two, for lubrication na rin siya. It lubricates yung making it easier to clear the secretion. And then once makiklear yung secretions, mas maganda yung drainage ngayon ng sinuses natin, mas maganda yung ginhawa sa kanilang pakiramdam nila.
Kailan lang gagamit ng antibiotics?
If it's bacterial, usually kapag nakikita ko na medyo dilaw na yung sipon, no, and then may konting cough na rin, tapos sumasakit na talaga, and it's more than let's say around more than 5 days hindi pa gumagaling, that's a time na I would recommend for antibiotics na.